I'm going to show you how to find numbers that add up to specific values in Google Sheets. First, navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for an add-on called AddUp2. This tool is capable of handling thousands of numbers simultaneously and allows you to set multiple target values. Install it. Open a Google Sheet and launch the add-on sidebar. Next, select the cells containing the numbers you want to work with and enter your target value. If you're working with multiple target values, just separate them with commas. Let's try it out with target values of 2,000 to 5,000. Click Run and wait for the process to complete. You'll then see the results here.